Hey, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. And in today's episode, I will be sharing with you the stock market and why you should buy GTBank shares now. Yes, I want to encourage you to buy Guaranteed Trust Bank shares or GTBank shares now and thank me later. And you may want to ask, why should I do so? Why should I do so? Yes, you see, one of the ways to build wealth is through investment. One of the ways to do what? To build wealth is through investment. So you should be thinking of building investment portfolio now. Build your investment portfolio now. And then I won't go deeper into why you should invest now or what is investment. I think I've done some videos on that. So I will advise you to check the link up here. Okay, up here. And you can watch videos that I've done on investment and why you should invest now. But however, this is like a call to everyone out there that have some money that's lying down, dormant in their bank accounts. Don't keep money in your bank account in this time. You know why? Any time you keep money in the bank account, especially in an inflation economy, high inflation economy, you know what happened? The value of that currency will be depreciating. And that is one of the reasons why we advise that you should look for a good investment portfolio to invest your money. So today we are looking at buying the GTBank shares, and how much. You may want to ask, how much should I invest, or what is the minimum, and how can I invest? You see, the minimum you can buy is 100 units. So let me show you the website. So when you go to www.gtcoplc.com/public-offer, offer is spelled OFFER. So when you go to this website, it will bring this page and tell you, disclaimer, read terms and conditions and stuff like that. Then you say, I understand and I agree with the disclaimer. Then you click continue. When you click on continue, it will take you to this page. On this page, there are a lot of questions that has been answered. Yes, when you scroll down, you can read all the stuff. Look at the GTCO offer for subscription. All the ways you can apply and pay. Everything is on this page. Create time to read, and if you have any other question, you can get in touch. So you see the application form. All these are the list of receiving agents. You see, this is the prospectus of the public offer. And you go down, and I'm also using this opportunity to call on Nigerians in diaspora. And you have GTB account, you should buy these shares now. Buy these shares now and thank me later. You know why? Yes, like if you invest like 500,000 or 1 million naira between now and let's say next year, July or August, that money should be at least don't let me exaggerate. You should be looking at about 30 or 40% returns on your investment. You know why? I'm going to show you a chart very soon, and if you invest to buy these shares now, you will definitely make money. Why? There's possibility or probability that it will go up to the previous high of 52 naira 50 kobo. So now let me show you some of the things, some of the frequently asked questions that you may want to ask. Why is GTB raising capital? They've mentioned it here. It says GTCO is offering shares by way of the public offer to raise equity capital of 400.5 billion naira. And you know what that means? It is due to the new recapitalization of the bank by central bank. That is why they are coming to the public to raise this capital. So you need to understand why they are doing this and how many shares are on offer. When you click here, you see they are offering 9 billion new ordinary shares at 50 kobo each at 44.8 44 naira 50 kobo per share. So, and if you buy minimum of 100 shares, that's less than 4,500 naira. Let's say 5,000. Let's say 5,000. So if you have 5,000, you can invest and buy this share, buy 100 units. If you have 50,000, buy 1,000 units. If you have 500,000, buy 10,000 units. You have 1 million, buy 20,000 units. If you have 2 million, buy, just keep on buying. You know why? Now, this is one of the ways to build wealth. I told you. By the time you have these shares, then at the point you're going to get dividends. And they can come up and say, oh, we are giving two shares to one. If you have shares with them, they can declare bonus and tell you, okay, we'll give you 2 to all what you have. That's 2 units to what you have. So like if you have 1,000 and they are declaring 2, that means you have 3,000. You understand? So let's look at the other question that is asked here. What is the period, the offer period? It started July 15th. That was 2 days ago, and it will close on the 12th of August. So you still have time. Look for ways to borrow money. Look for every means to borrow money to buy these shares. Buy it. Now, the other thing is eligibility. Anyone can apply to the public offer. So all you need to do, read the prospectus here, and then when you come down here, you see what is the application process. Just read what you have here, and you can buy through your GTB app. You can buy, and there's another question: can I apply on behalf of my family members? Yes. It says yes. Individuals may participate in the public offer either in their own sole or individual capacity or on behalf of another person. So if you have a family member that you can buy, for those that are in diaspora and maybe their husband or wife is not with them, ask your wife to go to GTB now and make inquiry, and you can even buy it through Bamboo app and Trove. Cheaper has not listed the GT on their stuff. So, but you can buy it on Bamboo or Trove. Go to Play Store and search for those apps, and you can trade the Nigerian stock market on those platforms. So now let me also quickly show you something here. No, this is gold. I'm not showing you gold. Some of you will not understand this chart, so don't let us go there. Let's go here. Now look at this. Is tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is a chatting platform, and you can also trade through the platform. You can trade forex, you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade commodities, you can trade shares, both foreign shares. You can do everything here. So they are telling us some things about Nigerian Stock Exchange. Now look at this. Is GTCO, Guaranteed Trust Holding Company. And when you come down here, let me show you something. And you see they are showing you something here. As at today, the price is 45.6 as at today now, and they are selling for 44.50 kobo. Now already when you buy, you are at profit, but you can buy and keep, which is what I'm trying to tell you. Buy and do what? Buy and keep. So now let's go down and let me show you something here. Now, looking at all this information, key statistics, market capitalization is 1.34 trillion, and the dividend yield is 7.20%. Now when you look at all these guys, you see that there is a lot of potential with GTCO shares, that if you can buy into it now, and when you come down, you see all the information about the bank. You see the financials, telling us the financials annually. When you click quarterly, you see quarterly as at 2004 first quarter. This is what they make: 455.04 billion naira. That's first quarter of this year. Now all this, their profit, go through them, their earnings. Now this is where I'm going. Now they have their news. This is where I'm going. There's a place I'm going. Technical analysis. The technical analysis on trading views summarizes what the indicators are suggesting, and the technical analysis on this GTCO shares is saying buy. Now, analyst rating, which is an aggregate view of professionals' rating, is also saying strong buy. So these two indicators are very, very important. Very important at this point for you to know that, oh, this is something I should buy. You see, why I'm sharing this with you is that a lot of people might not know this, why some do. But if you are a new investor that is looking at diversifying your portfolio or investment, it is good to explain some things to you. In subsequent videos, I hope to be doing some teachings on how you can buy Nigerian stock market, even New York Stock Exchange, how you can even trade it from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. Yes, it is possible, very, very possible, through those apps that I mentioned earlier. And now when you come to this place, they say frequently asked question on tradingview.com. What is Guaranteed Trust Bank stock price as at today? Is telling us 45.60, 45 naira 60 kobo. Now, what is Guaranteed Trust Bank holding stock ticker? What is now stock ticker? Depending on the exchange, the stock ticker may vary anyway. For instance, on Nigerian Stock Exchange, Guaranteed Trust Bank stocks are traded under the ticker GTCO. That's the ticker, the name that they are trading this stock under. They are now saying what are Guaranteed Trust Bank stock highest and lowest price ever. Now look at it. GT reached all its high time on January 21, 2008 for 57 naira, and its all-time low was 13 naira 0.5 kobo, and was reached on January 17, 2016. So you can see that if you are now buying at 44 naira point whatever, then oh sorry, I'm not showing you that. I'm sorry. This is what I'm trying to show you. That is telling you that what are the Guaranteed Trust Bank stock highest and lowest prices ever. When you come here, you see that is what I just read to you. And how volatile is the stock? Stock is 1.55% volatile. Has beta coefficient of 0.4, and track GT holding blah 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 blah. Now Guaranteed Trust Bank, was their capitalization 1.34 trillion. That's their market capitalization, and it decreased by 4.21% over the last week. So definitely it will definitely go up because of their public offer. Now looking at another question here, that is very, very important. When is the next holding ending date? Look at September. The next holding is going to be released. Next earnings report on September 2, 2024. So that's a good buy. Buy. Now they are saying, should I invest? Investing in stocks requires comprehensive research. So do your research. You should carefully study all the available data. E.g. companies' financials, related news, and its technical analysis. So Guaranteed Trust Bank technical analysis shows the buying rates today, and its first week rating is buy. Since market conditions are prone to changes, worth looking a bit further into the future. So this is an indicator or indication for you to invest in this shares now. Do that and you will thank me later. I know why I'm saying this. And you see, don't be an investor that is wishing, I'm always wishing I want to become an investor, and you are not taking steps. Take step, even if it is with 5,000 naira. Start it today. You can even do that on behalf of your children or your wife or your husband. Open the account and fund it, and on Trove you can easily do that on your phone. Once you register, they will ask you to create a portfolio. You create a portfolio. All these things are free of charge. Then you fund your account and buy. You begin to trade. So this is the quick update that I decided to share with you, and I hope it's going to help someone out there. So if you get value from this video, I'd like you to smash the like button, share this video with someone that can benefit from the information shared. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to appreciate you for returning to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel. Let's build this community together. And as you do so, I appreciate you and pray God bless you. See you later. Bye-bye.